Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you guys how to make body scrubs. More specifically, how I make my body scrubs. Now this one that I will be making is for me personally, because you girls gotta have a spa day, And y'all, please excuse all the hand gestures I be doing or like all the noise you hear. I was gonna keep the original audio, but then I decided to do a voiceover, so here we go. But basically, I'm showing you how I make my usual scrubs for sale. Like, that's the body scrub that I made. This one is called Citrus Kiss, she's available, and that one is called Cosmic Melon, which is also available. The little one's a lip scrub, and the big white container is a body scrub. Links will be down below. Check out our website, please, and thank you, you guys. This is the container I'll be using for this video. I usually don't use these for resale. I used to, not anymore. These I now use for personal stuff or for holding other things. Now I use the white ones when I use them for sale. But this one will do just fine for today's video. You can find those online and on my shop. Before we start anything, y'all, be sure to wash your hands thoroughly and be sure to go ahead and sanitize your workspace. Here I'm putting on some hand sanitizer on my hands after washing my hands, and then we put on our gloves. Quick announcement before we start, y'all. Everything on our shop is on sale. We are also now a vendor, so if y'all need some VersaGel, flavorings, containers, we got you. So definitely check out our Etsy and our website in the link down below. Anyway, y'all, let's get started. So basically, y'all want to start by going into your pantry and grabbing out the sugar. Any sugar will do. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, whatever works best, whatever you got. Don't worry, nobody's judging. Now the reason we use sugar is because sugar draws moisture from the environment into the skin and will hydrate your skin and keep moisture into your skin. How many times did I say skin there? Sugar also has this type of glue-like bond that bonds skin cells together, which generates a faster, younger looking skin type. So that's a plus. And also its small particles make an amazing topical exfoliant. It's used in multiple body scrubs, so definitely really good to use. So you're gonna start by taking your container. I'm using a paper bowl from the dollar store, but you can choose whatever, and multiple utensils, just depends on what you like to use. I like to use a little bit of everything. It's better to have everything and be prepared at the moment and not be prepared. But then you're gonna go ahead and fill up your container with however much sugar you want to fill it up with. Since this is going to be for me personally, I'm not going to be putting that much because I honestly don't use too much of it. I just needed a new one because the other one I already ran out of. But we just needed a new one, so I'm just going to do I think I did 5 spoons. Yeah, I did about 5 spoons. These are tablespoons, so about 5 tablespoons, but you guys can add to your liking. Again, this is for me, so I'm not going to fill it up completely, but you can do what you need to. Now, as everybody knows, sugar clumps up, and in that case, that's what happened with my sugar. So what you gotta do is go ahead and take a fork, or if you want to keep using the same spoon or whatever utensil you're using, and go ahead and kind of crush it a little bit. If not, you could shift it before putting it into your bowl. But I was too lazy, so you know what? We're just gonna go ahead and mix it and try to squish as much of it as we can. Now y'all can go ahead and use the pigments of your guys' choice. I like to use these mica powders. I don't know. I bought these off Amazon. They work wonders. You guys should totally get some. But you can go ahead and use any colors you like. I kind of like funky, weird colors. I kind of like these two. They were a vibe, like alien or something, So I went with it. Why not, I like to add my pigments when the sugar is still dry, but there's no complete order you have to do this in. You guys can experiment to what you guys like to do. Now we're going to go ahead and start mixing up our pigments and sugar together. Again, you're going to want to do kind of like this stomping motion with your utensil because you want to go ahead and get rid of any clumps and mix evenly between the powders. Now I like to use all organic oils and items and ingredients when doing my stuff. So we're using organic coconut oil and organic grapeseed oil, and as you'll see, I'll just pour it in and we're going to mix with the same motion I mentioned before, that scooping, squishing motion. That's what you want to do. So I got it to the consistency I like. You guys can change it up to your liking. I personally like the scrub to be more moist. It works better on your skin, but if you like it drier or if you like it, in between, you can go ahead and do that. So now y'all can go ahead and add in the scent of your choice. Usually I would use scents like these, which smell really, really good, but I usually use them for more like lip scrubs and lip products. And so for most of my body scrubs, I use more like essential oils, but sometimes I will use some of these. Like in some of the ones I have up for sale, they contain these oils. So there you go. These were also found online, and I also sell them on my store. I'm using lavender because I personally love lavender so much. Lavender is good for a lot of things. It helps with insomnia and actually causes some relaxation. It's really good for those perfect spa days, and I definitely recommend it. I got this one at Winn-Dixie. Now you're going to put your product away by going ahead and just taking spoonfuls a little bit at a time and going ahead and adding it in slowly. Then pat it down into the container. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was also to some help for you guys. Please be sure to stay safe and stay positive during this time. Keep close with family. And definitely, if you guys like this video, leave a like and subscribe. I want to do more videos for you guys. And I'll see you guys very soon.